J'ai mangé.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Anne Hizzle et
Artizzle.
Today we're making meringues, also known as pastel citron meringue, Pacu's Trader Delicious Extravaganza Ballet Bouche Amie.
Which translates in English to pastel lemon meringue Easter treats, delicious extravaganza weasel mouth friends.
Before we start, we need to
Preheat the oven to 275
Fahrenheit. The ingredients for these meringues, in which we're making a double batch, are as following: 4 eggs, 1 cup of extra fine sugar, 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and some food coloring, which is a secret ingredient. Don't tell anybody.
Before you start, make sure to clean your metal.
Okay. Step 1. Separate your egg whites into a metal bowl. No yolk.
Close camera. Separate. Don't get any yolk in there. Oh, hey. What are you doing?
I was doing so good.
Jeez.
I did that. Update, we just took 20 minutes to separate the egg whites, but we did it.
Ew.
Okay.
We don't have a juicer, so you do what you gotta do.
Whisk your egg white slowly. Build up them protein strands. When it starts to bubble, speed it up.
While you're whisking, slowly add in your sugar and corn starch, lemon juice, and zest.
And when it's thick and shiny,
When it's thick and shiny, it's done. We got our stiff peaks. Pretty sturdy. Gotta go do the drop test. See, it doesn't drop. Stick your baking paper to the pans with some of this. mixture into your handy dandy piping bags. Ooh, that's nice. Put them in the oven for 30 minutes. It's a long time. Wait for 30 minutes for the things to cook.
There are a few kinds of meringue, but the version we made is the French version. The most important aspect of this is that you keep the oven on a low temperature and the air is humid, which it is not. The recipe was first found in a French cookbook in France in 1692. This dish was named by Francois Massaillat. There is evidence that shows that the recipe may have been made in Switzerland earlier than 1692, but it was not fully recorded until Francois Massaillat.
We selected this dish because we found a good recipe online and it's fun to make. Update.
At last, the time has come. I think they might need to be a teeny bit more cooked. Alas, the time has not come.
Are they ready? Oh wait, they are completed. Oh no. Yum. It tastes like sugar and lemon.
I also like your
Okay, Emily, eat.
They taste like lemon and chewy, but they're good.
J'ai mangé!